Real Tuesday, back at it again with another video with one of your favorite guest stars. I got Nana here, and we are trying Zest Kitchen and Bar in Salt Lake City. Tell them what you ordered.
I ordered grilled cheese with a corn soup.
Yeah, some kind of spicy corn soup.
Yeah.
And I'm getting a buffalo chicken pizza. It's made with jackfruit. I'm a little nervous because I'm not a huge fan of jackfruit, but the server really recommends it, so stay tuned to see our thoughts. All right, here we are with our final review. So we're gonna use the pop method. So Nana, that's P is for plating, O is for optics, but you can include like how it smelled, with the texture of the food, things like that. And then the last one is P, which is punch. Excuse me. So that's the flavor, and the other P is for the price.
Okay.
So, okay, Nana got
I got the grilled cheese, and it looks like homemade bread, and she said a spicy corn soup.
Yeah.
But it was more or less like a vegetable soup with corn, but it was spicy. But it was spicy when you take a nice big spoonful and you swallow it, and then it hits you, the spice.
Yeah, it was not spice forward. It definitely came at the end. And then how about the cheese on your sandwich?
Oh, the cheese was delicious.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was 2 types of cheese.
That is true.
Yeah, 2 types of cheese.
I will insert some clips.
Yeah.
So when I think about P for plating, I will say that the plating was really nice, good presentation. The food itself was, well, I guess that's going into O, the optics. The food was colorful. It was balanced. Like, it looked good.
And you could have added avocado to the
sandwich.
Cheese.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. So optic wise, I would say yes, it was good. And then the last P, please. So punch. When I think about the flavor, okay, so I had the buffalo jackfruit pizza, and I felt like the jackfruit was a little chunky for my taste. I don't love jackfruit already, so if you're not a jackfruit lover, just like pick off the huge pieces. But it wasn't really buffalo. It had a flavor to it.
Yeah, I didn't taste it at all.
Tangy, but I wouldn't say that it was buffalo. But the pizza itself was good. The cheese tasted like real cheese. It didn't have that like weird vegan aftertaste. So we could appreciate that. And then the crust was that was good. They definitely make their own dough. I'm not sure if they do, but that's what it gives off. Yeah.
Homemade. Yeah.
Now price. I'm pretty sure my pizza was $19.
I think mine was $15.
I think my food was overpriced.
Because that's all you had was just that.
Yeah, and I wouldn't say that I'm not stuffed.
Yeah.
I think the word is satiated, so I'm satisfied, but I'm not stuffed. So for $19, I feel like I should have been walking out with a takeaway box or feeling like doubled over.
And then I got the berry drink, and she said they had the varieties of berries.
So she got
raspberry.
iced tea.
Yeah, I got iced tea. It was raspberry with green tea.
Yeah. And then they make their own simple syrup, so they added that to it. So overall, the last thing we need to talk about is finding this place is a little bit of a challenge. GPS will tell you that you're there, but you can't see the building from the direction we were coming from. So just on a whim, we decided to go down an alley, and we ended up finding the place. It's hard to see the moniker of the building because there's a huge tree in front of it. So we are gonna have to take off a little bit of points for that. But overall, I would still say that it's poppin'. What about you?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.